All right, for the second little tip, I'm going to show you how to mark a food as 0 when it shows up with points on the program itself. So the easiest way to get into your food search is just to select the green plus beside the meal that you're trying to log it on. And Ellen just asked me about a peach, so I'm going to use that as my example. Let's say that I had a peach for a snack. I'm going to tap the plus sign beside snack, and that's going to bring me into my food search. At the top, I'm going to choose peach. And on this particular screen, the listing that says peach fresh 1 ounce, I created that listing, so you probably won't see that. But what you should see is this under pocket guide, peaches, fresh, frozen, or canned, 1 medium peach. So we're going to use that one. All right, once you go into there, here's what I want you to do. And I'm going to show you how we're going to change this permanently instead of having to change it every time you use it. So there are 3 dots in your top right hand corner. I want you to tap that and touch edit. What this is going to let us do is edit the listing permanently instead of only changing it on the tracking part of it. So once you've tapped that, then you want to hit edit, and that brings you into a screen where you can change any information that you have in here. So you can change the name if you don't want it to say all of that and you just want it to say peach, then you can delete all of that down to where it just says peach. Okay? Now, I want you to come down to 0 bite food, and you're going to tap that. When you turn that on, you are telling the app that you want to count this food from here until the time that you change it again. You want to count this food as 0. So you can see at the top, it's changed it to a 0 bite food. This is also how you edit anything that were to be incorrect here. Okay, so this message, the carbs must be greater or equal to, I know Irene asked about this. All you need to do to fix that is raise your carbohydrate count, like round it to the next highest little bit there, and that will fix it. We don't count carbs on this plan, so it doesn't matter if that's changed by a little fraction. Okay, once this is done, you can choose to add it to your favorites. Up here, you can just tap the heart and add it to your favorite, and you're going to hit save. Now, anytime that you track this listing from your favorites, or when you search it, you'll see it, it will track as 0. So it's going to put it in the snack category. I'm going to hit track. And then when I look at it, I have a peach, and it shows me that it has added the calories for the day, but it still kept it at 0. So that is how you make a food that is normally pointed, but because we're doing the modifications for core, that's how you make a food show up as 0.